up, YouTube? This gonna be a quick video. If you new, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification, alright? This video is gonna be 5 things that I dislike about my Scatpack. So y'all go ahead on and tune in. What's up, y'all? One thing that I don't like about the Scatpacks is that they have the Dodge emblem on the steering wheel. I put this over because I feel that the Scatpack should be treated, you know, just not as good as a Hellcat, but it still should have some type of uniqueness. Like this should have been on there, or it should have just said 392, or it should have just said Scatpack and Chrome. You know what I'm saying? Like the 19s, look, it's got this over here. They used to say Dodge, even in the older Hellcats. Another thing that I don't like about the Scatpack is the cloth seats. Yes, I know you can get the Plus package for $2,000, but why should I have to pay $2,000 for something that should have already came in the Scatpack? I understand the base model, the GT and the base model and the RTs. I can understand them have cloth seats. The RT, kind of in the middle of those. I feel like those should have leather too. I feel like the V6 should be standard with cloth seats. I feel like the 5.7 and up should have like the leather and Alcantara. That should be like standard for the Hemis, you know what I'm saying? But this cloth, this a no-go, man. I should have had to go spend more money for something that should have already been here. Yes, I know I can change them out, but that's not the point. My next thing that I don't like about the car is and it's really hard, it's like small shit. What I don't like about the car is how it came with halogen bulbs. So I had recently put some LED bulbs in. I feel like the halogen bulbs should not be an option on a damn 392 Hemi. I don't even care if it's a lower trim. It should not be an option on a 392 Hemi. Another thing that I dislike about this car, it's these small ass 245 by 45s. These things are tiny as hell. These things cannot hold this car for nothing in the world at all. This car should have came with 275s at the minimum. You know what I'm saying? These are entirely too small for this car. I'm always spinning in this car, and I'm gonna end up going 305s in the rear, 275s in the front. These are entirely too small. Another thing that I dislike about the 392. So we covered the steering wheel, that's one. We covered the cloth seats, that's 2. We covered the tires, that's 3. We covered the headlights, that's 4. 5. 5 would be the engine. They need to go ahead on and add more horsepower to the engine. Cause think about it, the Mustang, they just got to upgrade. 2018 and up got 460 horsepower. 2015 and 2017 got 435. They upgraded, and they upgraded their transmission. We still got the same 8-speed, same 485 horsepower that we did from 2015. We need to upgrade. Also, the 60 is a bonus. I don't like how the inside looks just like every other Charger. You get inside, they all got it look the same. You get inside of a Charger GT or a V6 or a Hellcat, they all look similar in some way. Like it need to be unique. Like they need to have like colored bumblebees on the seat or something. Like this shit look plain. Like I'm not saying it got to be like a Jaguar type, but I don't really care about the plastic. I'm just saying they need to be more creative. Like Dodge is just lazy as fuck with this Scatpack. Just threw Dodge on it. Like damn, it's a 392 Hemi. You know what I'm saying? But before I conclude this video, let me give y'all some reels right quick. I know people sleep, but they'll be alright. I'm gonna use my Popeye's cup. It's my mid motherfucker, y'all. It really wasn't no shit that I really didn't like. I know people gonna be mad, but I'm gonna do it right quick. But that's all I really got, y'all. It was the small things that I didn't like about the car. I love this car though. Like even though I got these small ass 245s on, you know what I'm saying? I know it's a base cat. I still feel like the leather and Alcantara should have been standard. I feel like there shouldn't be an option. You know what I'm saying? But I love the Scat. I wouldn't trade it for no car at all. It's not worth getting a negative equity for something you love, you know what I'm saying? But if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure y'all leave a sub. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate the ones that subscribe without me having to mention it. Y'all really want to support, and I appreciate that. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up my car, and this concludes this video, y'all.